Excuse me, sir, but we are recording right now. Please, one minute space.
Shit if you're recording.
You know, eat your shit. Eat your shit. You know what? I'm gonna rate it J for J stain. You know, it goes J stain on your face. You know what? I'm gonna eat this shit. This shit all face.
So like, are you still recording?
Yeah. Snake attack! All right.
Oh my God! What the hell?
What the hell was that all about? It's like the queerest shit ever. Holy shit, unthink bastard! That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Fucker. Oh shit. That was disgusting.
Are you washing your face?
Yeah, he kind of licked me like a dog. I'm sorry.
You got your forehead, dude.
Alright. Just leave this out of this. Our David
You lost one of your fry trays.
No fry.
Fucking Jason, you ate like fucking 8.
Oh, fuck. What happened here? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh, come on. I've had worse, okay? David, shut the fuck up. Suck a dildo. Menopause! Fuck you. Let's get up on your camera. Or something. No, leave me alone. I got nothing to Stop following me! God damn it! Alright! You're a douchebag! You guys are freaking douchebags! You say so. You're gonna hear from my lawyer. What lawyer? Parents? Dude, you're going